Welcome to the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences, a lush, all-inclusive resort tucked between the jungle and the ocean in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. With winding pathways, tropical gardens, and easy access to the beach, this property blends modern luxury with a relaxed, nature-inspired vibe. In today's video, we're touring one of the resort's deluxe rooms. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. These deluxe rooms are stylish and comfortable spaces that are perfect for couples or small families who want to enjoy all the amenities of the Fives without upgrading to a suite. You'll notice the open concept bathroom right away. You will have an enclosed toilet and shower and double sinks with all of your toiletry amenities. You'll have a large double-sided closet, complete with robes, your ironing, and cubbies for all of the items that you need to store. You'll have the option of a king or 2 double beds. And here is a view of your balcony with gorgeous garden tropical views. A small sitting area. And then you'll have your water, coffee maker, and below that is the mini bar. Thanks so much for watching this deluxe room tour at the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences. If you'd like to see more of the resort, check out my full tour or the 3-bedroom penthouse video next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.